Okay, this is user interface of pixyz. If you open the software, this window at the first will be pop up. That you can tell, okay, don't show it again. We have two ways to import model. Raw import, that you can see you have to go and do your model manually, and you can see in this image it's insert a CAD model as a brep. It means lines, just lines, and you have to go to this menu and work on them. Another thing is a guided import. It's recommended, but I recommend this because we want to work it manually. But if you want to convert your model fast and don't want to annoy yourself with all of the settings, you can go this. It's automatically create the tessellation. It's coming to the mesh. Decimation, reduce the polygon after that, and optimization at once. But in this case, I want to raw, but it's not important. You can change it here. So it's okay. This is user interface. This is a main window of that. If you open 3D model, you can see there. You can see the information about that. The output coding here. We have this script here. We have a lots of scripts that we can use to automation of works. It's very interesting. I will show you more. The history of working here. And here is the product tree. I will show you more. If you here, you can choose between guided and raw import. If you import something else, for example, a chair, anything that you want, if you would open, you can see it open model, something like that. You can see it's missed from center. We will move it. You can see it's raw modeling. You have to work on that. This is a model tree. It's a sub model legs. You can see. You can choose in between the part of your model that you're creating in your own 3D CAD software. So this is an import. Then you can export it. Say preferences of the two softwares are here. I will show you more about some of them. These are for hiding and showing things. There are nothing special here. For example, brep. This is a brep. We can hide and show. And the most important things are these menus. You can see, especially in CAD. We have tessellation first, tessellated CAD to mesh. The mesh, you can repair mesh and creating some things. Optimization. This means decimation is here. For point cloud, for creating UV and for viewing. Plugin and helps. And here is inspector. I will show you more about that. Okay, if you select something, you can create properties, create material for them. Visualization is here. You can change the setting of that for example, environmental rendering, anything that you want. We have 4 main tools here for selection things, cutting plane, for view, and for creating UV. This software is very simple and straightforward. Let's begin. For example, I don't want to these codes here. Maybe if you don't want, you can come here and you can change the dark or light view. I don't like output. And yeah, maybe scripting later. You can drag and drop or change the model. You can see, you can make the history. In this case, you can close the script. I don't need it to that from now. And also maybe history, I don't need that. Or you can bring back history and make it here. You can see the history comes in this way. You can play with that. Or you can minimize or maximize the Windows. Very simple. I think I need more room to work to reach there. Nice. You can see visualization. Our settings now are it's a bit better. And also a little about this. Yeah. No, that's nice. I want to see the, and we have more room to work. It's nice. Okay, this is a user interface. Next lesson, we are going to navigation.